Hello everyone, and hope you are doing quite well today. This is yet another report from the Scholar Sports Desk where we keep you up to date around the world of Scholars athletics and sports. My name is Fasayo, and here's what will be on the lineup from December 1st to December 7th. Both the boys and girls varsity basketball teams will be having their first games of the winter season this Monday and Wednesday respectively, with the boys game starting at 6 p.m. and the girls game starting at 4:30. The boys team will also be playing this Friday at Townsend Harris. The boys varsity swimming team will also be having a meet this Friday at 4:30 at Jamaica High School pool. Be sure to show your support for both teams. Now let's go ahead and push this information aside and talk about middle school. There will be cheer practice this Tuesday starting at 3:35. And now, make sure to keep up to date with the latest information regarding all things Scholar Sports by subscribing to our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. Check out psal.org and our calendar under our landing page at scholarsnyc.com so you don't miss out on an opportunity to know when things are happening with Scholar Sports throughout the season. And that's it for the sports report for the week. I'm Fasayo, and I'll see you next time.